Hi everyone, today we are going to talk about roll-up fields. Okay, calculation field. Roll-up is also one calculator field. For example, if you see number of contacts in the account entity is showing 1. Okay, this is a roll-up field. Uh, Means count, sum, aggregation kind of things we say it is a roll-up field. Okay, so how to create a roll-up field and how to work with roll-up field I'm going to show you. Okay, so roll-up field real-time example I'm going to show you for roll-up field. Okay, give me 1 minute. So now I'm going to create one roll-up field in prod environment because in dev environment I already have it. I change it to prod environment September, and now I'm going to create a roll-up field. So this is your application. So application is account entity. I'm going to use it. So what exactly I want? I want, okay, see now if you see account, so nothing is there. Okay, let me add some data. For example, one account is there. Okay, let me add one account. Account name is Adit. Okay, and just click on save button. Okay, and next thing is here, this is the account. One contact also I want to create. Okay, contact. Just I am creating one account and one contact. Okay, Kumar. Last name is Vijay. And account name, Adit account name, I want to map this contact. So Adit is a account name, and I am adding one contact to this Adit. Save and close it. Okay, this is a child entity. Account contacts is child entity, and account is parent entity. Okay, so parent and child relationship only we can use this roll-up fields. Okay, so in the parent entity only we can use the roll-up field. So child entity is account. For example, accounts you can add any number of accounts. For example, Ajay is there. Okay, and you can add that same Adit account to Ajay and save it. So now what I want is in the account section, when I open Adit or any account, that particular account should display how many contacts are available. Okay, here one field I want to create, and that field should calculate the count of the contacts. Okay, that is my requirement. Okay, now I want to create a field, roll-up field here. Okay, in account information page, one roll-up field I want to create. How to create a roll-up field? Just go to settings. This is a very common step, and advanced settings, and after that solution, customization and solution. Earlier we were selecting solutions, but now I want to modify my existing application which is provided by the Microsoft Dynamics only. Sales application only I want to customize. That's why this time I don't want select my solutions, I want select customizations. Okay, and customize the system. Existing system we are modifying it. In the existing system we have to select particular entity. So what is our entity? Account is our entity. Select account entity. If you don't find out, just control F and find it out. Okay, just control find, and you can find out directly also. So anyway, account entity I am able to see it here. It is loading. Now you can see like account, right? Account, like that you can control F and you can do it. But here it is already available. Expand it. So this is my account to entity or table. So where I want to create one field, roll up field. So go to the fields. Field name is number of contacts. Okay, number of contacts. So just click on new, number of contacts count. Okay, this is the field name, and data type is simple line of text, or you can use number, whole number also. Okay, and next format is not required, and this is simple calculated, and field type we have to select. Earlier it was simple, and earlier we also tried calculated, and now roll up field. This is a roll up field. Okay, and click roll up field, select roll up field and edit it. See, again you have to click on edit. So this is like okay, roll up field criteria, mean filter criteria. So related entity, a source entity keep account only, because it is a parent entity. So use hierarchy, no. Okay, this is no. Okay, no need to put. And here related entity section, contact, right? Your entity is a contact. So select contacts, this one, and click on right mark. Okay, we are mapping account entity and contacts entity both. And aggregation, select filters are not really required for this scenario, it is optional. And aggregation, so aggregation functions only we use roll up fields. What kind of aggregation functions are there? Sum, max, minimum, count, average, these are all the aggregation functions for roll up field. So now I want to calculate the count, select count, and this is the aggregation contact, right? For that account total contact number, I want to use it, I mean count it. So that's why the related entity field is contact, and click on right mark, save and close. That's it. This is roll up field, save and close. Okay, I have done, and here also save and close. I created field. So next step is, it is it should be added in the form. Go to the form, otherwise it won't display. And account form, this is the account form, right? There are so many forms are available. Select your appropriate form. Usually account name form we should select. So this is the account form. So this is the screen where I want to add that field, account to information screen. Here I want to add that field. Right hand side, select the custom field, and number of contacts, right? Number of contacts, some field name is there. Yeah, number of contacts, this one. Not state, this one. This field you have to drag and drop it here. Yeah, number of contacts count. I have added in the form. Save it and publish it. And save and close. And once again account, you can publish it. or you can click on publish all customization. One option is there, you can select that option also. Okay, I selected it. If something is missing, it will publish all the customization. Okay, I have done my customizations and minimize this screen and go to your application. Application is where exactly that applications? I mean, it is a prod environment. So this is the prod environment. Refresh it or refresh. The field should display here. Whichever field we have created, that should display in the account form. The number of contacts is displayed. Okay, and it is a calculated button is available. Select that calculator and recalculate it. The number of number of contact counts are 2. We have already 2, right? But uh, what you need to do is, if you create another contact, immediately it won't display, it won't count, because every 1 hour the jobs will be scheduled actually. Rollup field time, jobs time is every 1 hour it will be refreshing. Okay, so now try to create later and you test it. After 1 hour only it will display, not immediately it will display. Okay, so this is one thing, rollup fields. And one more thing you are seeing, I mean, this is not I think this is not a topic, but thing is, accounts you don't have any data, and contacts also you don't have any data, right? And dashboards also you don't have any data. Okay, but when you are practicing Microsoft Dynamics, you need some data. Okay, so Dynamics CRM, Microsoft has given some test data, so you can use that test data. How to use it is, go to again settings. Okay, and data management, and sample data, one option is available, right? Select sample data and install sample data, select it. So that sample data will be available in the trial version, so we can use it. Sample account, sample contact, sample dashboards, everything will be available. For exercising purpose, like testing purpose, it is easy. So now I think it is done, and refresh it, and this also refresh it. It might take some time, 2 to 5 minutes time it will take. Okay, after sometimes if you test it, the data will be available here. For testing purpose you can use them, not now, after 5 to 10 minutes the data will be available. So this is one topic, and another topic is uh, keys. What is keys? For example, if you see book my show app, only contact one contact is having 4 tickets only, right? Means limitations is there. One email id or one user id can only book 4 tickets or max 6 tickets. How can we limited, how can we make the limited things? Or something like for example, not only that one, ride also. Okay, ride, if you book one ride, automatically another ride will not book. Some applications you cannot, in the same application you cannot book another ride. There is some limitation, right? So how to make it a limitation kind of thing? Okay, for example, email id also, banking people usually, if you are using a email id, one email id, you shouldn't use another email id or another mobile number, especially mobile number, because internet bank is limiting the mobile numbers only. Most of the time, one bank is having only one, they will accept only one mobile number, not multiple mobile numbers, because phone pay, gpay, and all the internet related applications, they use a single mobile number, right? So how can we create like that kind of keys? So here, like there is a concept called keys. Okay, so what I can do is I can take my training module, and in power bill, okay, maybe I can use mobile number. Here mobile number is not available. I can create one mobile number and I can use that keys concept, because I want only one mobile number, not duplicated. How can you use it, right? So now I'm going to create one field called mobile number. Since it is not available, let me recheck it, any mobile number is available or not. So it is not available. Let me add that mobile number first, so that it is easy. And settings, solution, power bill, and this is our solution, and power bill, and power bill, we are going to create a mobile number field. Select fields, click new, and mobile number. So anyway, mobile number is also single line of text, and text type is email id, phone. It is a phone, and click on save and close. So mobile number field I have added, I have created, and I have to add it in the form and publish it. That's it. Main form, right? We have to add it in the main form. And mobile number, where is my mobile number? In the custom field, mobile number, add it. So I have added. Okay, this mobile number I have added, and save, publish, save and close. That's it. Publish it and save and close. Save and close. And again, entity level also you have to publish it. That's it. I have done the publish, and go and check the application. Refresh, hard refresh, right? And empty cache. Power bill September, and aha, view. Okay, not a problem. Views I didn't do, but anyway, column I can add it. Mobile number column I can add it. Okay, that's fine. Just directly I can check in the form. The mobile number is added. Okay. So now what I want, duplicate mobile number shouldn't accept. First, initially I am creating one Vijay Kumar record, and date, random dates you can select. My mobile number is 9989528886. This is my mobile number, and save and close it. Okay, one record is having my number. Okay, And next record, if I create it, it should, my number shouldn't accept it. So what I need to do is I need to create the keys. Okay, keys is the concept, one of the concept. Go to the dev environment, I mean development, and this okay, not this one, sorry. Select your entity. This is your entity. Okay, power bill entity, and under power bill you can see the keys concept. Keys, this is one component is available. Select that keys. Now you see keys, and we are going to create a new key for mobile number. Display name mobile number key, mobile number underscore keys, and you can see power bill. You know, our power bill id column names are displaying, our field names are displaying. So what is our field name? Mobile number field, right? Where is our mobile number? You have to check it here. Power bill id is there, time zone is there, payment status is there. Okay, something is missing. I just refreshed the screen. Okay, and now mobile number field is available here. Okay, so anyway, display name again I am writing mobile number, right, underscore keys, and you have to add this mobile number. That's it. Mobile number keys. Click OK. Okay, so now you see this one. Okay, so mobile number have been added. After that, you have to publish and test it. That's it. You have to publish it. Now I have published it. And test your application. That's it. So now I am testing it. Refresh it. Power bill September, and mobile number, anyway view is not available here, but field is available, not a problem. View have not created, I think. Okay, mobile number field is available. I am entering duplicate number for Nagini. Okay, bill date anyway, 9989528886. Save it. Now duplicate record error message displaying. Okay, so this is how it works. So but earlier we have covered one more topic, duplicate detection rule. What is the difference in duplicate detection rule? We can ignore and we can continue, but in keys concept we cannot ignore it. Okay, so you have to, this will be stopped. It is not allowing duplicate number. That is the main difference in keys and duplicate detection rule. But in duplicate detection rule it will allow, if it is a duplicate email id or mobile number, or, but it will notify. That's it, that is the thing actually it will do. But here it will notify and it will block it. It will not allow, system will not allow that duplicate numbers or duplicate field, column, whatever it may be. Okay, so that is the difference. So that's it for today's session. So we have covered two topics. One is Rollup field, another one is mobile fields. And before that, our data is displaying or not, test data is displaying or not, we will check it, right? So what we need to do is go to the think it should display home account. Now you see accounts are added. Earlier only one account, Adit account. Now there are so many accounts. If you go and check the dashboards also having some data. Okay, so that's it. So we'll continue tomorrow. Thank you.